had put IPL on starsports.com, which were the digital rights we had taken in partnership with Times. We found 30 million unique viewers who came to the destination over the period of 5.5 weeks. They came at least twice, and every time they came, they spent around 18 to 30 minutes on an average watching content. So it is something, as I said earlier, it's big, but related to TV is still very, very small. But is there a really big opportunity sitting there in future? The answer is definitely yes. As far as selling to advertisers is concerned, I think because these are young, urban, affluent consumers, these are also the target audiences that advertisers are looking for, and they value far more. So there is a lot of value for these eyeballs in the minds of advertisers. So they were really more than happy to basically put money on the platform. So there is a natural win because of the quality of people that we are getting. And they are very well defined both in terms of geography and location. So you know whom you're talking to and what value you can get out of that advertising. So it's a very, very easy pitch. But what it required fundamentally even to move to this, because we had been in Star Sports business for a long time, for around 18 months before we came to this content, was a very, very high investment in technology first. Because fundamentally this country has mobile phones which cut across from Asha Nokia to the smartest iPhone that you get in the world today. So there are more than 200 kinds of devices or tablets or laptops on which you should be able to see the content. One consumer doesn't see it, he is going to reject it and tell many more people. So you need to invest in technology to get your experience right. Second thing is you need to invest in technology to get the delivery of content at the right bandwidth. A few of us can get, let's say, 2 Mbps. Largely this country operates between 240 to 500 kbps bandwidths. Now how to deliver content at that bandwidth is again a serious investment in technology to be done by someone. And third, most of the people globally have not been able to insert ads while the content is on a live content. If you need to insert ad in those, that requires again very serious investment in technology to deliver the content. So in my mind, the big investment that it takes, and it is not easy. It took us 18 months to get there after we started work.
Can you do those things? Can you insert the ads now? Can you do?
We inserted in IPL, and that's why the impressions are very good, and for advertisers there was great value. But fundamentally, getting this piece right is a very laborious work to ensure that all these pieces come right for a great experience at the end of the day. And it won't happen at the click of a button. It won't happen just by giving content to someone. So overall experience is reasonably good, but it requires even more serious effort if you move into the space of entertainment, where the kind of content that we deliver, unlike I'm saying US and anywhere else, the number of episodes for a show are 20, 13. And you know when you do binge viewing that you talked about, which is primary consumption, you need to see just 13 episodes. For us, serials run for 3 years.